you had mentioned about no one in the office is buying from me. And so having been in an office at my previous stop every day, the other thing that I always noticed was misery loves company. And so
100%.
if you're struggling and you're trying to do the right thing, but you're constantly surrounded by negativity, or 10 people are going to lunch at the same time, it's just, you kind of can get sucked into that unintentionally sometimes, but for what it's worth.
1,000%. And let me just add something to it, not to like harp on this. Have you ever, okay, maybe you and I can do this special, Chris, when you're out in Florida, whatever, but have you guys ever gone to lunch with coworkers and the whole lunch was like, dude, this is so badass. I cannot wait, man. I'm just like, dude, I woke up at 4, I'm ready to tear it up. I'm good. You see that? You see, boom, that's a freaking 911 turbo, man. I'm going to have one. No, you hang out with coworkers. It's naturally just goes down to the lowest common denominator, right? And it's like that video that went viral. It's like, Jennifer poops at parties? She literally poops. And yes, the party poopers come to lunch and they're like, well, there's no way we're going to hit our numbers. And then you go to that lunch going, man, I think this is going to be a great year for me. You leave that lunch going, oh God, I need to get my resume out there. It was the same world before you went into Bennigan's. There's just a lot of misinformation going on in there. Which brings me to my other point is that lunch cost you $500. I'm not trying to be stingy, but the time you spent getting there, talking about nonsense, leaving, and then you're like, oh, well, there's only 2 hours left in the day. I'm just going to go directly home because traffic's bad. If you had just locked the hell in and got it done, you would have been a lot better off.
100%.
Hey, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and I'm going to give you $300 right now to close more deals. Click the link in my bio or here, and I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. I'm covering all the costs for you. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. I'll see you in the closing masterclass.